dumaguete, and we're trying to wait for a bus because it's just 20 pesos. When you get the tuk-tuk, it's like 250.
Yeah, but the bus you actually have to walk to the main road.
Yeah.
For you to ride it.
Are you ready to do that?
Yeah, we can.
What the dog doing?
Nice. Julio. Let's try it out. Oh my god, it's so good.
Queen.
This is tinapa omelette, and I feel so jittery from the chocolate drink. I tried with the sauce.
Tama nga yung tinara ko.
It's pretty good.
It's hard to cut. I was thinking of eating it directly.
First bite. Sarap. Yes. We approve of this place.
Wow!
How was the breakfast? Did you like the eggs Benedict?
The eggs Benedict was good.
It was good.
Pero because of the feeling of
the tablet really made us
parang
bloated.
yeah.
Pero yeah, we love the place and the food is good naman. Just walking around here while waiting for check-in time at 12:30, right?
Yeah.
We were allowed early check-in at 12:30. We're going to the
This art gallery by Inspired. The legacy of experience.
Everything's so pretty. Fountain. Fountain. Now we're walking around. Nice fountain. Nice. What's here?
Oh,
Oh, there's mangoes.
oh, bogto. Mangoes.
Wow, we can get mango.
I think that's complimentary.
You like mangoes, right?
Mm-mm. Yo. I have pinks. Stop.
Uy, ang sarap na sa'yo. Let's go in. We have to get a quick meal. And I'm just wearing this really cute dress. And it's so pretty. It's really flattering. So this is for late lunch. And he's gonna work while we're eating. Look at the chair, it's so nice. So hungry, like I'm gonna faint. This is the Calios. Oh, this is good.
What the dog doing?
Papa. I think you should be dipping it more. Me, I'm gonna. Pero it's hot though. Okay, so we're swimming and the water's really cold. And we're just gonna chill, you know? Kasi di nakaswim masyado si Gab yesterday. So hot. Oh my god. So we're currently at the boat and nakakahilo. It's so wavy. What are you feeling? It feels normal. Ako nahihilo ako. Yuck. Oh my god. Oh my lord. So was lechon manok. Wow, look at that. First meal?
First meal of the day.
First meal in siquijor. Wow, look at how juicy it is. Okay, let's start.
Halang.
So juicy. And it's a total of 390 for everything. How was it?
Damn good.
Busog-lusog.
Yes. Actually, sobrang mas juicy.
Ubus namin.
Chooks to go, no? Masarap pa yun.
Hi, so we're currently at Vikings Eco Lodge and this is what it looks like. It's actually pretty cute. It's like a group of cubos that have aircon. So yeah, it's like this. Here's the banyo. It's just tiny. It reminds me of
Our banyo in Bali. It's like naturey.
The coco something.
That's it.
We're currently at Paliton Beach and Gab's getting some beer. And we bought this latag because we forgot to buy a latag. It's the sunset. We love it so much. Ooh, he dancing.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. May kalawang pa yung ano. Ah.
Agad ni
Finally.
ate nilagyan ng ng tissue.
Oo, para matapan.
Para matapalan niya. Sabi ko, sige na lang, nabukas mo na eh.
Eh.
Maybe there is some mold inside on it.
First time I ever tried potato pasta. We'll try the rolled pizza.
Pwede after.
We got the coco choc and the crocante.
This is the reason why we exercise and diet a lot.
Thank you po.
Okay?
Alam mo yung ano? Yung coconut biscuit.
Oh, ganun yung taste niya.
Yeah. Good morning. Actually, it was raining a while ago, but it's now sunny, and I hope it's like this the whole day. Okay, we're about to ride this beach. Kuya, loka-loko po.
Okay po. Bago lang po kayo dito.
We are at Luca Lurker.
You know how this
He was so amused. It's the first time. It's like a marshmallow. He was so amazed. He put it on film. I'm doing it now. It's actually matchy with my nails. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. What's yours?
flower.
I think it's
Tropical
pineapple.
Island.
Yeah, tropical islands, pineapples. I forgot mine. I think it's ocean vibes.
This is banana.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Yummy.
Mmm.
being satisfied. He's giving up. Heaviest thing ever. It looks really light, but it's not really light. Oh my god, my lips are blue.
Now we're here in Siquijor Island to see a Filipino tourist in the world.
What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
We are here at the Baleta Tree Foot Spa, which is kind of funny kasi nakakakiliti talaga siya. Lalo na yung big fish.
Sabi nila nagsasoccer to. Masarap.
Masarap yung paa.
Maraming madumi.
What if busog na pala? Busog na pala sila, no? Kasi whole day na sila kumakain ng paa. Ayan. Ang aggressive nito. Oh my God. Ang aggressive niya. Oh my God.
Ayan o. Oh.
Ayan, oh.
Yeah.
How's the service?
Okay.
Smooth na?
Wala na, may mga novices pa na parang hindi sila ganun kagaling sa pag-clean kasi masakit.
It was so funny kasi there's like this huge fish na gusto na niyang kainin yung balat ko. But look at how smooth my feet is. Thumbs up. Ititip ko yung fishes. Where are we?
We're in the golden view where we're waiting for the golden hour.
We ordered drinks. Actually, it was so cool kasi dapat to order lang namin was the beer, but then Kuya said it's happy hour at 4 o'clock. Pero 3 o'clock pa lang. And then we were like, sige, wag na lang, beer na lang. And he was like, okay, happy hour na. So we got drinks. So we got an extra drink for free. Amazing. So we got gin tonic and rum and coke. Cheers.
Cheers.
There's no sunset yet, which is sad, but hopefully there's sunset. Your food. Your food. Ang corny kasi ang daming clouds, we can't even see the sunset.
But we got one of the best seats.
Yeah, we got the best seats, but it's kind of umaambon.
2.0 pala.
So we're currently at Mr. Crab, and they have really cheap crab and like waffle stuff, and we have a new addition to the team.
What's up, gang?
Intro.
What? Want me to say something? What's up, gang? Happy to be here, I guess.
No, I'm just making you feel awkward.
Hate you.
Waffles, and then mango and Nutella. Show some personality.
Personality?
Ew! He's actually a solo traveler. What are you doing here? And why are you here?
I'm backpacking, visiting people who are also traveling.
Wow.
Since I'm probably delivering island already. which I was. So yesterday I was in Cebu. I mean, well, actually today I was in Cebu because I missed my flight. The day before that I was in Davao. The day before that I was in Davao and I was taking a flight.
By the way, he's single. Please take him away from us.
We are at
We are at Coco Grove. Yung anghang kustot sa akin. There's something like spicy thing in it. Tapos the spice went up my nose.
Oh, nose. Let's dig in.
Oh, good ko yan. Ang sarap ng calamari, Bobo.
Oh my god, this is so good.
and we're gonna pour it. Very cute orange color, like the theme of the whole place. And there's chairs. It's a sala, mini living room. And then like a TV and some stuff there. And we put our stuff in here, our banyo. And then let's go up for 2 people here. Here, yeah. And I'm so happy. I'm done with work and he's taking a break from work. We're walking around before the sun sets. The sand is so fine.
It's not super fine. There are red corals. Oh, look at that. Oh, turn, 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 turn. Oh.
Hello.
That's our food. And we're here with him again.
Of course. Can't get rid of me, dude.
So it started raining and we're currently here with the bubong on top of our heads. And we're about to drink.
I like their view.
Cheers. Good morning. Obviously, I just woke up. Look at my hair. We're in a parang hot thing.
So cool.
It's like an acorn-shaped thing. It's a pretty day. Like, nobody's awake yet, I think.
What the dog doing?
So we're here, currently getting our complimentary breakfast. We just finished diving and we're so hungry. Yum yum! So yummy. Brioche.
Yeah, you have double eggs.
Double eggs.
You have double toast.
Double
well, actually, it's
toast.
one toast cut in half, 2 sausages, bacon, and tomato.
Yummy.
Ang juicy ng sausage.
Mmm.
I haven't eaten egg in a while.
Time to swim.
Oh, kaya naman. Oh, 6
dog
feet na siya.
Here we are at Dulce Diner. I'm here with Gels again and of course Gab.
Of course, me.
And we're gonna eat. We're gonna eat the inasal and the susig and everything has rice.
Everything has rice though. Pwede pa kaya mag-ano? Walang rice no?
Gutom na ako, sorry. By the way, it's super good. Super good, super good. That was the best for 150. The best in siquijor, period.
Skinny legend. Whoa! Oh!
Hi guys, let's go to the pool. Ganda, ganda na.
The perk of being being with somebody who likes to vlog. I'm the cameraman, meaning I don't die.
Got me 4K. Sino more sentiment?
Show the view.
The view, the view.
There, oh,
The view.
yeah!
The pool. I didn't put sunscreen. Actually didn't forget. I was just too tamad.
What the dog doing?
Breakfast. Super ganda. Super ganda here.
I think it looks good, except for this picture.
This is what they got. It's salmon with cream cheese, I think. Yun lang. Hindi. Okay. Okay.
Oh, may pumasok.
What the dog doing?
Wow! 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 Wow!
Bitches.
Damn. Bad shot.
Bad shot. Ang daming tumama. Like it's like a red dragon.
We're at Monkey Business. It's our last meal here in Siquijor. Camera before tao. Bye, Gels.
Bye.
Oh, your helmet.
So we are currently at the airport and this is our final clip for the video. And I hope that it's going to be a safe flight. How was the trip for you, Momo?
Very good.
Very
Very
good.
fun.
Yeah.
A lot of very good accommodations. I think the highlight for this trip is the accommodation,
Yeah.
but also the falls.
Yeah, the falls. I loved it. I also love the trip. Same sentiments as Gab. So yeah, I loved it. And we're happy that it was a successful trip. We'll see you on the next travel video. Bye!
Bye-bye.